Huh? Yeah, we can start with the plates, I guess. Here, just, yeah, here. Yep. Yeah, do it. Here, just grab it and we'll go.
Can you catch this? And this. There's the napkin things. Should we wait till the cameras are full?
Yeah, just dig it. Well, yeah, they'll come out right now. So. Okay. 225 pounds in down.
Did you go forward or backwards?
Oh, backwards. Go the other way. I know I joke around a lot, but...
Of course I will.
You out here?
Yes. Yeah, you tricked me.
A little bit?
Yeah. No.
It's not incontainable.
You totally faked out. Oh, Robert over here. I'm not gonna propose to you tonight, Lindsay. I'm not gonna propose to you tonight.
But what did you think? We knew you thought.
I totally thought. Of course I did.
Did you hear us out here?
No.
Good.